little girl Uyimart. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you an amazing home remedies on how you could gain healthy weight in 2021 without stress. Okay, but before going into this video, please, if today is the first time of coming by, please consider subscribing to my channel and as well turn on your post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. Okay, so as I said earlier on, that our topic basically today is just on how you could gain healthy weight. So what I'm going to be taking you through on is with natural remedies anyway. So I have my natural remedies here with me, which you're going to join me very soon. So to get to know the procedures and how you could gain healthy weight, all you need to do is to stick to the end of this video, so you get to see how I'm gonna put you through on how you could gain healthy weight. Let's get right into this video. So guys, as I said earlier, what we'll be using now is just a banana and peanut butter. This peanut butter is made here in Nigeria. Okay, so this banana, it contains potassium, which helps you to gain weight, and it's one of the important ingredients available in banana. It's a very good rich source of potassium, which is highly helpful in maintaining the balance of electrolytes in our body. So banana also boosts your metabolism to gain weight. Banana is a rich source of manganese, okay, and this manganese, which you know, it helps you in driving the required energy from the food, and it also helps to improve the metabolism of the body, helping you to gain weight. This banana improves red blood cells count, and it can be considered as a warehouse of healthy, okay, as a warehouse of healthy, because it's rich in vitamin B6. It helps your body to produce more number of red blood cells, and it's a rich source of calories, which is the important part that every other girl want to hear, which you really want to know on how to gain healthy weight. Okay, so this banana helps you to gain weight in a nutritious and healthier way. Likewise, my peanut butter, this peanut butter is very good as it helps to boost your metabolism to gain weight as well. It's a rich source of manganese, which is, it helps you in driving the required energy as well. That is because of the granite in it. Okay, it's actually it's a Nigerian made peanut butter, which is considered as a warehouse of healthy, and it's a rich source of vitamin B6 too. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put you through on how you could take this banana. So what I need is just my 2 banana for a start. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing. I need to wash it here with my bowl. Okay, I need more water, okay, to use and wash it thoroughly neat. So after washing it, what I'll do is, it's time for me to peel this banana out from its peel. Okay, sorry, I'm peeling it away as if I'm peeling plantain. Okay, so I'm gonna take the back off inside my plate. This is the plate I'm using. Okay, I don't know whether you can see it clearly. Let me take the bowl out. Okay, then I'm gonna use my knife. This knife is actually my kitchen knife, to cut the banana inside my plate. This time around, I'm not blending anything. I just need the natural part of it to come out. Okay, so it won't neutralize that effect of, you know, at times if we are blending, it might not bring out what I need. But blending it, if you have blender, you can equally go ahead and blend it. So this is my second banana, which I'm gonna show you how you could use this and gain healthier weight. So these 2 bananas is what I'm gonna be showing you on how to use it and gain healthier weight without stress, without exercise, without anything, any side effects, without belly fat and other excessive fat. So it's time for me to open my peanut butter. Okay, this is my peanut butter. This peanut butter is actually Nigerian made peanut butter. That's why it's more like this. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. I have to add it inside. Okay, then I'm gonna add more inside. Then what I need now is my coconut oil. Sorry. So this is my coconut oil. This is extra virgin coconut oil. This coconut oil is gonna help to blend the two ingredients, the whole ingredient. So I've added my coconut oil. What I added is not more than the peanut butter. Okay, so it's actually time for me to eat these two ingredients, which is gonna help me to gain healthier weight, while I'm gonna show you guys on how to take these two ingredients together and gain healthier weight. So let's go there while I put you through on how you could eat this. So guys, now that I'm done with the DIY part of it, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna be eating this to show you how to gain weight in. This is how it looks. Can you see it clearly? This is how it looks. Okay, so what you do is you just use your fork and be eating it this way. Okay, you go ahead and eat it. The next 3 days you're gonna see changes in your body. It's tasting so very nice, and I say very nice, it's very nice. Okay, the essence of adding the coconut oil is very good when it comes to adding of weight, because it's so super good when it comes to weight gain. So you need to add coconut oil to anything, or maybe if you're cooking you can use coconut oil. You can go ahead and use other extra virgin oils like almond oils. You can use all those essential oils. Okay, it's very nice. When I say it's nice, it's nice because this peanut butter is made in Nigeria and it doesn't have any side effects. Rather, it helps you to gain healthier weight. Okay, you gain weight healthier and at the right places, not in your face, not your belly, likewise your butt. So this is the best remedy you can go for. That's banana and peanut butter. So for the sake of those that have blender, you can equally blend your banana first. That's the next method. You can blend your banana, then you add your peanut butter inside the banana blend, the blended banana. Then you stir it thoroughly well. Then you add your coconut oil inside. Then blend the last blending. Then once you're done blending, then you go ahead and take it more like smoothie. Okay, so guys, today I'll be stopping here. For the sake of those that have any question to ask or any suggestion, you can as well drop it down close to you in the comment box below. Then as well, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to drop your comments on what you feel about this video. As well, the last one is don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know how you could gain weight, and as well for other upcoming videos this 2021 by God's grace. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified on other videos I'm creating. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch my video. Love you guys all. Bye.